Okay, so how did we end up here? Let's rewind a bit. Welcome back, you magical being. Happy New Year. This will absolutely not come out on New Year's Eve, but still, I haven't said it in a video so far, so... In this video, we are doing something I wanted to do for years, but always avoided. Since this is gonna be really stressful and chaotic. Cleaning out my closet and decluttering my clothes. Saying no to emotional attachments to garments I haven't worn since decades, but still decide to keep because maybe one day I will wake up and suddenly have an idea for the perfect outfit with this piece. And I'll die if I don't own it anymore. It's just really overdue.
But they are suspiciously enthusiastic about the whole process.
I don't know why I'm being so dramatic about it. Can't be that hard, right? The thing is, I cannot for the love of God decide on one fashion style. I mean, how could you? They're all so pretty. Because of that, a lot of these pieces will seem pretty random. Like, these are years and years of clothing, but definitely don't wear them all. And it will be nice to get a good overview of everything again. After all, I know for a fact that a lot of these pieces don't even fit anymore. Therefore, at least these will be easy to sort out, even though I kept them until now, convincing myself I could just sew them to fit me, which I could. But if I haven't done that until now, I probably won't be doing it anytime soon. It would be so much better if they could bring joy to someone who appreciates and loves them the way I couldn't, and who fits into them. Okay, so honestly, the longer I'll talk, the more I'll just convince myself to scrap everything and not do it, so let's begin! I wonder how long this will take. We'll keep it pretty simple. If I want to keep something and like something, I will step to the right. And if it's not really it anymore, I'll step to the left. Why not start with dresses since I am wearing a dress? Hello, voiceover Lou.
Hello, past me. Thank you for forgetting to buy new toothpaste, by the way. It was super fun without it, and I'm definitely not taking it personal. But well, we're here for clothing, so... This makes me feel like a fantasy grandma. This makes me feel like the one who disappeared when the world needed him the most. This makes me feel like Nana from Elfenlied. And this one makes me feel like I want to undo myself. Good for the right occasions. Good if I want to feel like a 14-year-old who thinks she's very mature for her age. I wore this as a costume for a modern Snow White play I acted in a long time ago. This is perfect in every way. It even has pockets. Whenever I wear this, I feel like a mushroom. A cute mushroom. There are a lot of times in life when it's good to feel like that. This dress on me is a severe crime against eyes, my survival instincts, and everything else I believe in. It's okay, could use some pimping, but it gets the job done. This, on the other hand, no. It's giving the energy of screaming "no we can't" into Bob the Builder's face. Wore this to the Gamescom 5 years ago. There are a lot of baddies who would rock this, but I'm definitely none of them. The gown in which I graduated from the academy, a lovely time. Sometimes life calls for a more comfy dress that looks good in a vest. And what can I say, I love the color. So guess what, there's another dress in this color. This dress makes me love life a little more. It makes sure I drink enough and clears my skin. If I ever get kidnapped into a cottage where my life consists out of crocheting, embroidery, and making good soup, this is perfect. There's no way I'm saying no to this. Yes, but no. Fitting to the second dress, in this I will hunt down the avatar. Everyone needs at least one tight black dress. I'm not lying. Do I even need to say anything? Look at it. Same with this one. The more dresses for the cottage kidnapping arc, the better. This one shouldn't make me this happy, but it does. Now looking at it, I'm not so sure why I kept this. But this? Yeah, that's a safe call. Speaking of yes. I like the top part. There is potential in this. Some negatives, but they get way outnumbered by the positives. I mean, look at the back and the sleeves. Now let's see how past me is doing after all of this.
It's officially almost 5 AM. Can only get better from here on, right? So sleep would hit nice now. You know what hits better? To finish filming in a good old 2010 party playlist. This is gonna be a long night and probably day. But hey, it's teacher time now. What are we waiting for?
Was wonderful when I was 14. Was never really wonderful. Will always be wonderful. Sadly too small. Not my thing. Also not my thing. Definitely not my thing. Sadly too small. Nah. Yes, and I own a matching skirt. Yep. Anime boy shirt. Something is bothering me. Reminds me of strawberry shortcake. Don't like the fit. This is my nature dad shirt. Should be more oversized. Right amount of oversized. Tragically, I just don't like the fit of all of these, which absolutely breaks my heart since I adore what's on them. Like, don't get me wrong, when I say too small, I don't mean too tight, but just, they need to be oversized. Like this one. Or this one as well. Why? Truthfully, looking at that just broke my heart. I love these shirts, but I never really wore them except for when I felt guilty and because of that wore them to sleep. Still, it felt so disheartening getting rid of items I held dearly to my heart. The one thing that kept me going was one of the wisest creatures I knew stepping in and whispering,
Wir sind zum Aussortieren hier, nicht zum Bemitleiden.
which in English means something like, we are here to dispose, not to pity. And in my opinion, yeah, that's some great advice and a lot of people should take that more seriously. I said a lot of people, not everyone. Let's check on how I'm doing after all these hours of trying on clothes.
I'm alive, okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, behold my obsession with
Shirts with random hokusai designs or dragons on them. Yeah, so, we're still not done with t-shirts. Besides, not only was my brain at this point basically consisting of nothing more than this magnificent gif of a cat, which explains some of the decision making, but also whenever I look at things from said artist or dragon, I feel this very intense, fulfilling adoration inside my heart and soul. Maybe this is what love feels like. And as some things are just meant to be, like a moth flying into a flame or a dragon obsessing over its treasure, there's nothing I can do about it.
So now it's officially morning. I just heard all other people in this house wake up and go to work or school. I think I need a moment. Think positive thoughts, think positive thoughts, think positive. I will be able to watch the sunrise. That's really cool. Okay, honestly, I don't know what I expected. Of course it won't take so long. My hair is a mess anyway, so let's let it be free. Fashion. Art, style. I mean, we're almost at the halftime, I guess. Sweaters, trousers, and skirts. I feel like I can't form a coherent thought. Sometimes I think, but then I forget. But we're in way too deep now to give up. Therefore, it's time for some pants. Sorry, dear son, but you're interrupting my lighting.
Time for the pants! These are my comfort pants. Though I don't wear a lot of pants in general, these first two are an important staple. Tragically, my hip said no to these pants after a while. It's a shame. Good, but could be better. Nah. Not my style in any way. My mom hates these with a burning passion, but Uta from Tokyo Ghoul would be proud. These are my work pants. I don't want to talk about these. Same as these. Ew. Amazing, stunning, breathtaking, until you realize they don't fit right. Why is life so cruel sometimes? Good attempt, underwhelming execution. Nope. Got a matching vest for them. I adore them. On someone else. No. Nine. Whenever I get bored I scribble on it. It's good for that. Kim Possible ordered on Wish.
I don't like pants, they disappoint me. But I'm feeling better, more alive. Whee! Let's get on to something that is really fun and that I do adore a lot though. Skirts.
Now, what really is there to say about skirts that hasn't already been said? They are better than pants, and anyone who thinks differently is, well, just wrong. Don't worry, it's okay to be wrong sometimes, I still love you. Anyways, except for some with a dissatisfying color or length, we are going to keep them all. This one makes me so happy. Let's just please forget this one exists.
Can you see the light inside my eyes fading? We should be officially halfway through, maybe more. At this point, I don't even know. No logical thinking possible anymore. The only thing I can think about are clothes right now. And yeah, I can think about that. Still, no matter what is going on, we have to continue. There's still a lot of sweaters to go through. So what are we waiting for?
This as your forger energy could be good for cosplay. Sometimes I look at clothes like these and wonder what fashion even is. Those two are safe and easy options. Bats. Foxies. Nope. Simple yet fun. Sleeves yay, rest nay. What even is this fit? Uninspiring in my eyes. Adorable but not enough. Too many meh memories. I'm so sad I grew out of this one. This is not the moment. Wonderful. My emotional support sweater. Perfect to randomly throw bleach onto it, trust me it helps. I try to avoid lathering these days. A future bleach paint project. Perfection in form of a hoodie. This is really important and right in every way. Cat print. Oh, fluff no. Don't like how the collar ends.
Next up, shirts. Well, one button is missing, so...
Actually pajama, but we choose to ignore that. It's so kitschy and on the nose that it's quite fun to style. Don't like the collar. Yep. A necessary base piece. Dramatic in the right way. Fabulous. Another necessary base piece. Just as this one.
On to vests. I can't believe we're almost through.
My insides are decaying, but my outsides sure are slaying.
A second-hand treasure. Love the form. Sure, yes. Got matching pants. Cute color.
Last category. Cardigans, jackets, something on top. Just, you will see. My brain isn't working anymore. Sleep is inside. Still a little far away, but it's there. I can see it at the end of the road.
Tired lost baby girl.
I have so much more respect for people who do hauls and fashion stuff on a regular basis. Didn't thought it would take that long. At least soon.
Mr. 305! Dale!
We should start.
A bit too tight for my liking. Fluffy and lovely. Makes me feel like a swamp witch. Asymmetric color blocks are friends. Could be a piece from the Hamilton musical, but too tight. I owned this suit for cosplaying, but sadly I grew out of it. No. Yeah. Also good. There's no way I sort this one out. Flowy and dreamy. Not the right size. Makes me feel like an evil politician. Reminds me too much of school. It was my dad's. Gives me comfort. Doing its job. One of the oldest pieces. We had our glow up since then.
At last, we are done. I don't even know if it's day or night right now. Wait, let me look outside. That's definitely nighttime. Cool. I would love to give you my final thoughts right now, but all I can think is, woo, we're done. And I need to sleep and a good wash. This hair, makeup, and honestly my whole body is just, ew. All this feels a bit like a fever dream. So future me, please give us some quick final thoughts. Or just a sign that we are still alive.
TBH, there is no big conclusion. This was way more work than expected, but it was necessary and it's good that I finally went through with it. Maybe I'll sort out even more pieces the more I sleep over it, but for now this should be it. Oh, and well, yeah, of course I'm still alive.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No thank you. And go to sleep, you look horrible.
And you know what else the me that isn't dead inside wants to thank you for?
Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Thank you. I also have other social media, so say hello there. I wish you a wonderful day or night, depending on where you live, and see you next chapter. Bye!